Thank you very much. Atik Salia is my name and I work for Star Radio. Yes. Dr. Yumkela, you have made your points clear that you no longer a dual citizenship holder to SIM, as the common name now implies, as at November last year, 2017 precisely. But I'm sure you're also aware that elections matters be fixed within a certain period before the polling day itself. Well, they say sometimes 6 months and the list goes on. So November last year to March is about less than 2 months from now. Correct me if I'm wrong. Will be less than 6 months. So don't you think that's a militation against the declaration you are making already? That's one. Secondly, NGC has a headquarters. Why have you brought us here instead of your usual headquarters where you're supposed to hold your meeting, you know, as usual political parties could do their meetings, you know? But finally, you said Aderena Thomas was dismissed wrongfully, and the former bank governor in 2007 was also dismissed wrongfully. But you are aware also that it is a prerogative of the president to hire and fire people in elected positions, such as the chief justice, the bank governor, the ministers, and the rest. So are you telling us that if elected as president of this country, those positions, if you appoint people to serve in them, you will not in any way fire them regardless of whatever the situation may be? Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Melvin Tijan Mansare. I write for the Trumpet newspaper. Dr. Kande Yumkela, should your nomination is challenged in the court, do you have faith in the judiciary? Secondly, why are you contesting presidency and that of member of parliament? Female.
My name is Martha Kago. I work for Sky Radio. Doctor, you spoke about the dual citizenship which President Kaba encouraged, and now you have denounced your citizenship. Some people in the US are okay with their green cards or residence permits, but some people have reasons for that, and some people have reasons for going for citizenship. What was exactly the reason that led you to request for a US citizenship?
I'll just tell you the last thing is personal, so that's my privacy. And if you check the US, it's private. It's like my medical records, yeah? So it's my own volition, my own decision. I'm a free man. Yeah? I chose to do it, and I have the legal right. Do I have faith in the judiciary? My brother, I believe there are people in the judiciary who care about Sierra Leone more than you and me. They're at a point in their careers now, particularly in the Supreme Court, where it is about Sierra Leone. I have to have faith for now. But what I know is I have my documents ready. I would have given it to you, but I know. You know, the 99 tactics are done. There's nothing left. They've tried each one, but we're still here. So they had to invent 99.5. This is the one. Tactic 99.5. You know what I mean? So we are preparing ourselves for litigation too. But we are piling their own litigation also ready. Yeah? We are all preparing. Let them prepare their case file, we prepare our own. We'll all end up in the same place. Why am I running for parliament and presidency? That's what I want to do. I am here to stay. I was born in Kicho, in the Samu chiefdom. You know, they made me like this, tough warrior. Yeah? So I want to represent them. I want to do development there. But honest to God, I want to defend your rights in parliament too. If that's what I have to do. You know what some people say? I'm not going to do that one, they did below one. Nothing is below me, huh? As long as there's dignity in public service. But I will not sell my soul. Yeah, I will not just compromise. I will not do it. Otherwise, some of us would have been somewhere else by now. Because that's what others did. Cross carpets quickly. The first question. My dear friend, 6 months, 1 year, 1 month. We in the NGC we are prepared. Whether any time comes, we know the schedules. We have people, as you see them around here. What I don't know, they know 10 times better than me. My brother here has been in this country 42 years, my friend. Eh? So whatever I don't know, I can come here. On the law and processes and timeline, now lawyer then sit down so. Tijansi is not here today. But yeah, he's at the back. Is lawyer Kamara in the room? We've looked at timelines. We know we're within the law. The law did not specify timetables for things. Just like that, casual. But whatever is in the Constitution and in the acts, we've reviewed them very carefully. Why here? Well, this is the beauty of NGC. We get freedom. Mr. Get space done around this area. We can do our meetings anywhere. It's the freedom. But you know, we are compassionate. We didn't want you going all the way to Wilkinson Road. You see? Then not to make a credit to that chairman, then his bright Ali. They say, no, let's not have people move because it's a sudden notice. Yeah? Because I wasn't in the country. If we had planned this way ahead, we would have said that they have enough notice to go to Wilkinson Road. But it is also because we have friends and members of the party that have infrastructure. Next time I take you to Ambassador Dabo's office. Look, what we want to bring back to governance in Sierra Leone is standards and values. If we have a parliamentary act that protects the position of governor, make sure when you're appointing a governor, you appoint the right person. If the law says the tenure does not coincide with your own, it doesn't. Yeah? So we will look at these acts. There is a reason why they were done. If they're not good enough, we'll change them. But any position that is sacred, we will keep it sacred. What has happened here in 10 years, everything is ad hoc. You can dismiss a vice president as you like. Supreme authority. The Constitution is what is supreme, not an individual. That's what we believe. It's the rule of law that is supreme. And that is why I've spent quality time with these lawyers. You know, imagine when you have 5 lawyers in the room. I listen, I make notes. And I like when they disagree because I'm learning about the nuances of language. So yes, my brother, any position that is sacred is sacred. But one of the things Andrew and I care about the most is depoliticizing institutions. In this country, everything now pass you get party card. The universities are politicized. Police is politicized. Everything is politicized. We don't want that. We want to give people professionalism. That is necessary if we're going to progress. So there are institutions that we will reform, give them their tenure of service, professional, so they're proud, especially our security services. And by the way, I repeat, if you hold to SIM, you then are government now, minister, vice minister, do your left. If Monday you know left, will they begin calling him? They begin calling him. Who they begin calling him? Some man don't glad for the beat batap and some of we. Who say, oh, they go Fengumbe now? If you know, say you're a minister, you serve now, or vice minister, do the honorable thing. Own up, bone up, and stand up like a man and lead. 3 more questions and we go. We have some other events. 3 more questions. We'll circulate. Is my text ready to be circulated? Okay, please distribute. All right, I think you have all the information. Okay, one more there. Give it to him. Yeah. We'll circulate my official statement.
Good afternoon. I am Abdul Sila. I write
Yes.
for Unique Newspaper.
Yes.
And Doc, I want to know how you resolve the issue of nomination, because we understand that on the same day you will be nominated at NEC, and
Yes.
as you just disclosed, you are going for parliamentary seat as Kishon. So
Yes.
how have you resolved that?
Well, we have how many hours? 8 hours in the day. I am sure the NEC also knows it's my constitutional right. I am sure they will allow me enough time to do both nominations. I need to demonstrate that to the youth of this country, that it is honorable to even serve in parliament. In fact, they should want to serve in parliament. As I've said to young people, I try to encourage young people to run as well. Those who create the laws of your nation are very important people in your country. The second arm of government. So I know NEC would want me to demonstrate to the next generation that Dr. Yom Kela they go apply now like anybody else for be parliamentarian. So yes, I have been told it is doable from Freetown. So yes, I have been told it is doable From Freetown to Cambia is 2.5 hours. I do it often. So I know I can go to Cambia. In fact, my people are already gathering now. They don't begin make Aujo and Soko for welcome me. Last one. Oh, okay, one there and then the last one in front.
There's Nicole, right, for newspaper. And you see, even with the presentation of this certificate, we are very much apprehensive in the sense that we are anticipating a litigation. So I want to know, on which ground do you think a litigation will be filed against you, if at all you take it to court?
I'm not apprehensive. I'm just telling you, as strategists in NGC, we are prepared for any eventuality. That's the way you plan. Any eventuality. We know we are ready for any eventuality, my brother. But we're very confident. Saturday, sharp 8 o'clock in the morning, would you go nominate? Sharp 8 in the morning, not so? Sharp 8.
Dr. Yumkela, good afternoon. I'm Precious Levy from Star Radio and Television. The Women's Situation Room put out a press statement about the low inclusion of the women given symbols. So how has the NGC been going about it in terms of incorporating the women being part of decision making in the country?
Yes, we've tried very hard. We tried very hard. Some brave women came forward. Some of them have gotten symbols. And I can assure you, when you see Haja Memuna, you see IJ Kaba, you see Yasmin and some other women I know, they gave us hell. Each time we look at a list, they say, no, not yet, until we check that you made a real effort to get women. We got some, not as much as we would have wanted, but yes, we have some very strong women who will be running for councillor and also parliament. We even approached 50-50, that's on record. We said, if we get any list, we will go fund it. To be true to form, the other person who is a strong gender person, now this man, the chairman, you know, the NGO person, international NGO. So on civil society, women and others, is also very strict on that. We got those that we could get. It is not easy, and I should make a statement about that. It is hard in this country when people have a history of violence in their mind for women to come forward. They know the rigors of constituency level politicking. We got to change that as well. To make it comfortable for our women folk to be able to stand up and be counted as lawmakers. Last one?
Yeah, Abdurrahman Kroma, Salon Times newspaper. Doc, you and the PPRC, we are having some contention relating to your colors. What have you guys done towards that?
Yeah.
And finally, with all the adjective that you've described the Anesbai Kroma-led government, would the Anesbai Kroma government go scot-free with the NGC in power? Thank you.
Hey, let me have violence in their mind for women to come forward.
You and the PPRC, we are having some contention relating to your colors. What have you guys done towards that?
Yeah.
And finally, with all the adjective that you've described the Anesbai Kroma-led government, would the Anesbai Kroma government go scot-free with the NGC in power? Thank you.
Hey, let me put it this way. You cross the bridge when you get there. Let me put it in context. And I ask you, you know, I make speeches and I stick to what I say. Yeah? If you go back, you will see me saying before I arrived in this country, and they spun it the wrong way.